inside your head.
Mini Manny. The cup.
Neşe in the final with a cool tennis racket. It's the coolest that there is. She will lift the final cup into the air today.
You've trained hard for this, Neşe. I think you will be today's winner. I have faith in you.
Don't be so sure of that. Maybe I don't have some special shiny medallion, but I've trained a lot too.
What are you implying, Gulchin?
Only that you play well thanks to the medallion.
The medallion has no such skills. I play well because I've trained a lot.
Okay then, give me the medallion. Let me keep it until the end of the game. If you win, then there's no disputing it's all about your skills.
Here you go. Keep the medallion, Gulchin. I don't need its help. I'm awesome without it.
See you on the court. Have a great game.
Neşe in the final with a cool tennis racket. It's the coolest that there is. She will lift the final cup into the air today.
Welcome to the final game of our grand tournament. At last, we are down to our 2 players. The winner of the tournament will take the gold cup home as champion of the court. I want to invite both of our finalists to approach the court ready and willing to play their hardest. I give you Gulchin and Neşe. We're expecting to see last year's champion Gulchin as well.
Where is Gulchin?
Here you are, the medallion. I kept my promise, okay? And now it is your turn. Whoa, how cool! Now no one in the entire galaxy can beat me. Oh, this is some amazing technology. I can do anything, just like a robot. Ready or not, here I come.
And finally, Gulchin to the court. Silence, please. Do not distract our players.
How about them apples?
There is something terribly wrong about this.
Sure is. My sister's a really good player.
Gulchin is playing too well.
Too well is right.
Come on, dear, you can do it.
Just return one serve and you'll win it from there.
Manny, check out that thing on Gulchin's neck.
Let me see. That is totally a Shapala medallion.
I knew it.
What is going on?
Gulchin must have made a deal with the Shopalots. That's not Gulchin. It's the robot in the medallion.
That makes perfect sense. That's why she's playing so well.
Gulchin wins the first round. She's always been good, but today she's nailing it. I've never seen someone play as well as she is in this tournament.
You are too kind. You are too kind.
I couldn't even hit the ball once.
Neşe, my dearest friend, the game is still not over. Now is your chance to shine. You can still turn this game around.
But Gulchin is playing so well. I'm just not as good.
No, don't take it that way.
Neşe, cheer up, okay? Gulchin's been cheating today.
No way, Mutlu. She's just outplaying me is all. Mutlu is telling the truth, Neşe. Gulchin is really cheating. Huh? How's she doing that?
She must have made a deal with those lousy Shapalots. She's carrying a Shapalot medallion on her neck. It's not her. It's a robot playing instead of her.
A robot? Right, Gulchin took my medallion from me today.
Why'd she do that?
She said I was using the medallion and that I was cheating. To prove her wrong, I went and gave her my medallion.
And now that loser is using the Shopalot medallion.
If we had finished the moon security system, we could have stopped this.
The Shapalots are mad at you for everything that's recently happened. They're getting payback. And I really don't think that they're gonna stop here.
You're right. They must have a bigger plan.
All right then, we'll just have to ruin those plans.
But how?
First things first, I will win this tournament. I won't lose to a robot. Then I'll take my medallion back and send the Shopalots crying all the way back home.
That's my sister, guys.
The second set is about to begin.
Yeah, now the real game is about to begin.
Welcome back to the second set, everyone. Give it up for Gulchin and Neşe.
Okay now, let's see if a robot can calculate everything.
How's that possible?
Looks like robots can be baffled too.
What's going on? I don't understand it. Just give up, you're so annoying. It's impossible for you to beat me.
The second set goes to Neşe. What a wonderful performance!
Neşe in the final with a cool tennis racket. It's the coolest that there is. She will lift the final cup into the air today. Neşe in the final with a cool tennis racket. It's the coolest that there is. She will lift the final cup into the air today.
I was supposed to go unbeaten. Oh! You didn't keep your promise. This medallion is useless. It can't calculate all the moves. I'm losing the game.
And now the third set, the final set, folks. An incredible challenge it has been. Neşe is mounting a comeback, surprising everyone, tying up the match. Let's see who's going to win this tournament. Now on to the final set where the winner takes it all.
Lift the final cup into the air tonight.
Now what's happening? Let's do this. Oh no! This medallion is useless. What an absolute joke!
That's what I'm talking about. Ha!
I'm still gonna win this game.
I know I can do this.
That's a match point for Neşe. Neşe wins the game and is the
Neşe! Champion Neşe!
Hey there, Gulchin.
Congratulations, Neşe.
Thank you for saying so, Gulchin. And well, since the game is over, can I have my medallion back, please? I miss it.
Say, I gave it to those little creepy things.
To the Shopalots, you mean?
And you got the other medallion in exchange to win the game, right? Typical Shopalot tricks.
Well, I'm really very sorry. I can't believe I'd do such a thing.
What's done is done and over with. Don't be sad. But we do need to find a way to take the medallion back.
Oh, what's that?
It looks like a gigantic Shopalot army is coming to Earth.
What are we supposed to do?
We're gonna send them back to their home planet.
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Nanny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every day, like